Car Story research indicates this vehicle as a good deal and loaded with features. Features also include alloy wheels, rear view camera, leather interior group, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof. With these ratings, come test drive the 2014 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, moonroof, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, floor mats, cruise control, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.